Along California's rugged coastline lies a hidden world, La Jolla Cove, a sanctuary where nature's most resilient creatures thrive in harmony with the ocean. Captured through the clarity and detail of the Canon R50, we step into this world. Here, the seals spend their days basking in the sunlight. Their spotted coats, unique to each individual, provide camouflage against the rocky shoreline. While they may appear clumsy on land, harbor seals are agile swimmers, capable of diving over 1,500 feet in search of food, holding their breath for up to 30 minutes. Perched on the cliffs above, pelicans survey the waters below. With their keen eyes, they scan for movement, ready to take flight at a moment's notice. The pelican's wings cut through the air with a quiet grace, a symbol of the freedom that defines this coastal haven. In the waters below, sea lions dominate the surf. Agile and playful, they leap from the waves with ease, their vocal calls resonating through the cove. Known for their social nature, these creatures often gather in groups, interacting with each other in ways that demonstrate their close-knit bonds of their species. This is a place where the balance of nature is on display, a reminder of the delicate relationships that sustain our world's marine life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to follow along on more of our adventures.